ka sur jong phi ka thong jangi
ka kong yaman siem ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women kalap diang subha ya ka rai jong ka Supreme Court ka babatha ya ki sanitary pad khlem jingsiew habaro ki skul sarkar bat ki skul shimen da ka bakhot ya ka kum ka sinjam ka badai ban wan ra menchua kalaong baka jing bishar kan kentiu ya ka buram ka kot ka khya bat ka puli khlem thut na ka binta ki khna kan thai kalapan paru ya ka jing bomdan ki lar jingeta hakapor kalapan long ya bon ngot ki khna kan thai ban sha shitom ha ka jing snapjar but what ban senge ne I no ekisko
is always a good move, and it's something that is like should be done, I think, far much earlier than now. But anyway, it's a step in the right direction, and it's needed. So at least it's filtering up the issues and problems that women face, girls, especially in the rural areas and even in the urban areas also. So yes, that's a good positive move. But then in terms of implementation, in terms of it filtering down, as usual, as any law, it takes a long time. One, it needs the political will, it needs commitment from, from administrators, from people who are funding, it needs commitment from people, from the people themselves, are they willing to ask for it? If it's a right, then one should be more proactive. And I think they need all the help that they can, especially in the rural areas who do not have a voice. So we need NGOs, we need maybe commissions, we need, everybody everywhere. We need the media to be more involved so that one, that people will be aware that this is their right. And two, also to have a conversation in the public, about the things that matter, because what has come out of this, and we can only name a few, is that women and girls, they do face these issues. Like it's before, when a woman has to bear, a girl has to bear the pain, the shame, or whatever, the discomfort, of having your periods. But they don't talk about it. They can't talk about it. They can only talk about it with their friends, perhaps not even with their parents. But then many times it's difficult for them to go to school. And if they're not using sanitary pads, those old days where they use whatever traditional methods, that becomes difficult. And if water is not readily available, that is a big concern, So I would say that a lot of girls, I think they do drop out also because of these issues, because they don't want the hassle of like every month, they have to drop out of school for a few days. So the motivation to continue their studies also is gone. That is one of the things. Then for a woman, when she goes to have a higher education or goes to work anywhere also, that is also, which boss will kind of be sensitive to the fact that I want to take leave today because I'm not feeling well, I have cramps, I have menstrual pain, I have this and that, So it's difficult for a woman to voice because it's such a private thing also, But I'm happy that, today's younger generation, they do talk about these things, like both men and women. But the older generation is like a taboo.